Good morning, dear students. My name is Торекулова Акшолпанның. I am an English teacher. Today we will continue the 8th unit, Space X. The lesson title is A Sci-Fi Film Review, Grade 10, Science and Maths Trend. Сәлеметсіңдер ме, қымбатты оқушылар? Бүгін біз 8-ші бөлімді кеңістік бөлімін жалғастырамыз. Сабағымыздың тақырыбы ғылыми фантастикалық фильмдерге шолу деп аталады. A Sci-Fi Film Review. Learning objectives. Organize and clearly provide information in an accessible form for others. Use a growing variety of vocabulary appropriate to the theme, genre, grammatically correctly spell it out. Use a wide variety of direct speech and interrogative form and a wide variety of familiar, general, and educational topics. Let's begin our new lesson. Open the page 92, exercise 1. Look at the picture. What is the title of the film? Answer the question, please. What is the title of the film? Мына фильмнің атауы қандай? The Terminator is a 1984 American science fiction film directed by James Cameron. The second question, please. Is it based on a book? Is it based on a book? Бұл фильм кітапқа негізделген бе? Look at the picture. Is it based on a book? A novel by Randall Frakes and Bill Wisher, based on a screenplay by James Cameron and Gail Anhart. More deadly than any man alive. The time is now. The next question. Where and when is the film set? Would you recommend this film to your friend? Why or why not? Where and when is the film set? Қайда және қашан бұл фильм түсірілген? Directed by Tim Miller, produced by James Cameron, David Ellison, distributed by Orion Pictures, release date October 26, 1984. Country, United States. Language, English. Now, grammar. Reported statements. Reported speech. We use a reporting verb like say or tell if this verb is in the present tense. It's easy. We just put she says and then the sentence. For example, direct speech. I like science fiction. Reported speech. She says that she likes science fiction. Төл сөз дегеніміз ол біреудің сөзін өзгертпей айту, яғни direct speech. Төлеу сөз дегеніміз біреудің сөзін мағынасына қарай сабақтас сөйлемдерде айту, indirect speech or a reported speech. We don't need to change the tense, though probably we do not need to change the person from I to she. For example, we also may need to change work like my and your. But if the reporting verb is in the past tense, then usually we change the tenses in the reported speech. Direct speech. I like science fiction. Reported speech, for example, she said that she liked science fiction. Төл сөзді төлеу сөзге өзгерткенде шақтардың қиысу ережесін есте сақтау қажет. For example, direct speech. Present tense verb. Reported speech, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, simple past, past perfect, past perfect. Simple future will, reported speech, would. Future be going to, reported speech was, were, going to. Яғни біз міндетті түрде шақтардың қиысу ережесін есте сақтауымыз қажет. Changes in time and place verb. Уақыт пен орындардың өзгеруі. Now, қазір, then, at that time. Содан кейін, сол кезде. Today, бүгін, that day, сол күні. Tomorrow, ертең. That day, following day, келесі күні. Now, do the exercise 2, page 92, student's book.
Get up. Come on. Holy shit.
I need a vacation.
Is it dead?
Terminated.
Will this melt in there?
Yes. Throw it in.
Adios.
Enter chip.
It's over.
No. There's one more chip. And it must be destroyed also. Here. I cannot self-terminate. You must lower me into the steel.
No.
I'm sorry,
No!
John. I'm sorry.
No, it'll be okay. Stay with us. It'll be okay.
I have to go away.
No, don't do it. Please, don't go.
I must go away, John.
No! No, wait. Wait, you don't have to do this.
Sorry.
No, don't do it. Don't go.
It has to end here.
I order you not to go. I order you not to go. I order you not to go.
Goodbye.
Now watch the film and make the dialogue. For example, get up, come on. I need a vacation. Is it dead? Terminated. Now do the reported speech. For example, direct speech. He says to him, get up, come on. Reported speech. He says that he gets up and come on. Яғни балалар, фильмді көріп, диалог құрастырамыз. Енді төл сөзді төлеу сөзге айналдырып жазамыз. Now your home task. Change the sentences to the reported speech. Төл сөзді төлеу сөзге айналдырып жазып келеміз. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.